Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous tutorial. Let's have a look at borders. HR. I want to create a span first. Border. Let's assign our class name. Border. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see the text and our border. We can assign color as well. We just need to say border and color name. Let's say primary. Save it and have a look at it. You see guys, our border is blue. Or you can say danger. Save it and let's have a look at it. You see guys, we can also decide which border we want to see. Let me copy that one. For example, I want to see border top. Let me type here top and save it. Let's have a look at it. You see guys, we just see the top one. Or you can say border end as well. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see the border top and border end. Let me copy and paste to show rest of them. Let's change that one. Let's say warning and border start and border bottom. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, let's make it a little bit bigger. You see guys, we see borders. We use that borders around our images or text, depend on our project. We will use them in our projects. And also we can decide width of border. Let me copy that one. HR. We just need to add another one. Border 5. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, that is width of our border. You can assign total 5 value between 1 to 5. Let's make it 2. Save it and have a look at it. See guys, you can change width of your border like this. And then also we can add a radius for borders too. Let me copy that one and HR and let's paste it. There are total 7 different options for rounded. Let's have a look at them. We just need to add another class name. Rounded. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, it is great rounded. Let's change that text too. Let's copy and paste and have a look at the rest of them. Rounded top, rounded end, rounded bottom, rounded start, rounded circle, and rounded peel. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can use those rounded options in your project. As I mentioned earlier, we use rounded for our card design, for our images, and some other purposes. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.